I'm sending you their positions. Hansen to Lloyd. I'm sending you updated coordinates. Lloyd, I'm sending you their positions.
Harrison here. We're engaged in combat with Nightwalkers in the underground parking area. Lloyd, fall back now!
Hansen to Lloyd. The entrance is blocked. Head for the rear exit.
Open fire! Watch it! clear?
Looks like it, sir.
I'm still breathing.
I don't like this. We're too exposed. These two vehicles stick out like a sore thumb. We'll have to move them to someplace safe. Hanson, did you check if that vehicle's computer is on the advanced recon team?
Doing it right now, sir. Got it. According to the computer, there are only 2 survivors.
Only 2 out of an entire squad?
What about the status of the survivors?
Body temperatures and pulses are deteriorating. Both of them are fading fast. They'll be lucky if they can hold on for another hour. I'm transmitting their positions to you right now. The signal is weak. I can only get an approximate range.
Eric? Okay, listen up. We're going after the survivors. Attach the transmitter onto any corpses of the advanced team you run into along the way. It could be a real headache if they find any more bodies. Hanson can collect them later.
Yes, sir.
Hanson, touch base with headquarters and apprise them of our situation. When we get back to the command vehicle, start collecting the bodies.
Got you, Captain. Hanson out.
First things first, rescue any survivors you find in the building.
Hanson here, Captain. After checking the identities of the survivors, I can confirm that Captain Russell is still alive.
Eric, okay, got it.
Captain?
I'm listening, Hanson.
I just lost a life reading of one of the survivors.
I know. Harrison out. Take a look at this, Lloyd. I think we found a member of the advanced team. What a mess. Whoever did this made sure that the suffering was long and painful. This guy had special forces training just like us. It doesn't look like it helped this poor soul. You know, I'm really having my doubts about this operation. Lloyd, attach these to each corpse you find. That way Hanson will be able to collect the bodies.
Sir, I've lost Captain Russell.
Are you trying to tell me Eric's dead?
No, sir. Both his position and life reading suddenly dropped off the screen.
And what does that mean?
I've no idea, sir. Either his transmitter's dead, or he moved into an area where his signal's blocked.
Okay. Kelly and I'll head for the spot where his last readings were transmitted. Lloyd, search the area for the remaining bodies.
Yes, sir. Captain, I've found 3 dead members of the advance team.
Roger that. Kelly and I have reached a point where we lost contact with Eric's readings. He's nowhere in sight, but there are signs of a struggle. Eric might have been killed by a Nightwalker. Kelly and I are going to take a look around. Lloyd, you keep looking for those bodies.
Yes, sir.